Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Denver.
Why are we going to Denver?
We're going to watch the Denver Broncos play the San Diego Chargers.
It's very cold, but we're going to have fun. Oops. Alright. Sing it, Jason.
Jason. Who's
Jackson? I said Jackson.
I heard Jason.
Red. Sing it, Red.
Excited. Me too.
Well, quit, shut up back there. You're talking too much.
I'm sorry. I'm just giving all kinds of knowledge to Jade here.
Mazio's Italian eatery up here at the Valero gas station. We know there's snow soon because there's the Southern skis. Whoop, whoop. Nothing much to see here. Move along.
These are not the sights you're looking for.
These are not the mountains we're looking for. There's a haystack. Does that count? Does not. Some somatic water sprinklers for the farms. Still no mountains. Waiting on the mountains. Where are you? I actually think it just got flatter. Not only are there no mountains, but it just got flatter. But we found it. There it is. Way out there. Is Rabbit Ear Mountains. We finally see them, and now they're gone. They were swallowed up. They're there. That doesn't mean we were in the mountains at that point. It's just two random mountains out in the middle of nowhere. There's still a long ways to go for real mountains. Oh, there they are again. Yay. Hello. But it is the Gateway Mountains. They're Gateway Mountains. They're Gateway Mountains. Once you see those, you just get into bigger and badder mountains. That's just all it is. You gotta be careful with them. Here's Mount Capulan volcano. You can drive to the top of that and look down in it. It's pretty cool. Walk down the ridge. I would imagine it'd be pretty chilly up there right now. But we've driven it in 4 minutes flat. But it's a pretty cool little volcano, and they got a little visitor center. You can go up to the visitor centers at the bottom, and then you can go to the top. That's pretty cool. We have finally found the real mountains. Not there. Not there. Way over there. There they are.
Water.
Do what?
There is running water.
Yeah. Jaden, where are we?
We're at Seven Falls.
Yeah. What?
We're at Seven Falls.
Seven Falls. Riding the bus. Kid in my lap. 17-year-old kid in my lap.
Where?
Where? Oh, quit! Don't be wiggly.
Don't be wiggly. I'm
The
sorry.
last rest stop was several hours ago. There's Dad.
Really?
What's wrong with your truck?
Here we are in Seven Falls, and it's very chilly. Oh my golly, it's pretty though. The falls are frozen.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh,
So where are the falls?
these are them. They're frozen.
Wait, up there?
Okay,
That's
I
it?
smell the skunk. I smell skunk. It makes me a little nervous.
What does? The smell?
The smell.
That's just
Oh,
my
wow.
breath. Sorry.
You can barely see it moving behind there. You see
That's
it?
cool.
That is so awesome. I still am nervous about that smell. You look very closely. You can see the water flowing.
Behind the eyes?
Behind the eyes.
So cool. You could hear it too.
I can't see it with the, I don't know if the camera's getting it. There it is.
I guess I go.
That is so awesome. That's great. Where's your dad? Is he already halfway up? I wanted to go. He wouldn't stop for me. Constantly having this battle about the bathroom. You gonna go? I don't want to go. He's going. I don't want to go. I don't have to go. No, you go. Ah, now you have to go? And it's, oh wow.
I want to jump in it.
Somebody with little feet was down there. Woo-wee. That is so awesome.
Also, I'd see falls.
Well, babe, they're frozen. You'll never see them like that before again unless we come here
Again.
all the way up.
Does it look the same as the last time, or are they different?
Well, they are frozen for one.
Well, forget that.
Last time they weren't frozen. Okay, there goes Jackson up the second half. Here's some more falls flowing. So beautiful. And then there's stairs up there, and this is what we just came up. A little scary. I think I might be scared of going down. Okay, Jaden's headed up. Okay, I guess it's time to pay the price. Pay the price. do you think?
It's cold, but it's cool.
Is this a coniferous forest or a deciduous forest?
Deciduous.
I think it's coniferous.
I really forgot the meaning.
What are they talking about?
I don't know.
Who cares?
I don't know why it's suddenly taking a picture either. This is, I don't understand this camera. I'll be recording, I'll look down, is going, taking picture. Why? I didn't tell you to take a picture, but it is. Great, I'll have 600 pictures for no reason.
Alright. So I can't talk, my mouth is frozen. That's what that camera did to me. Well,
Would you like to bring your coat, Jackson? No.
I'll be good.
I'm good.
No, my face is cold. My body is not. Because climbing those stairs got me well warm. I just
Okay.
can't talk.
All right. Let's venture on.
I don't think he's
Is
coming.
that the stream? Oh, it is. Okay. It's like something is running towards us. I'm out.
Deuces.
I'm a baby. I didn't know we were on the Hoth and indoor at the same time. Ah, indoor during the winter.
You never see any of the Star Wars planets go through seasons.
Yeah, that's true. Never see them put wreaths on their door for Christmas.
So we're headed to Denver now. We just got back from the mountain. Super cold. Yeah, Seven Falls. I forgot the name of it. So we're headed to Denver now, and we're gonna try to warm up in this nice, warm car. Ain't that right, Jade? Yes. What?
Super freezing cold in the Box Canyon.
And the box candy? Is that what you said?
Box Canyon.
Oh, you got a Starbucks over there?
Yeah, where's your Starbucks? No, they got a Ross.
Dad doesn't do Starbucks.
I didn't ask that.
They had hot cocoa, I think.
I think they do. Yeah.
Maybe there's one in this mall over here.
We're gonna head to Denver.